Good morning, class. Today we are going to start the chapter called Matter. As we know, matter is anything that occupies space and has mass, or anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Matter is made up of very tiny particles called atoms. So all matters are made up of atoms, and atoms combines to form molecules. Basically, there are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Next is kinetic molecular theory of matter. Kinetic molecular theory of matter means the study of the behavior of solid, liquid, and gas, their changes. We call it as the kinetic molecular theory. Matter is composed of molecules. As I said, matter is made of very tiny particles called atoms, and atoms combines with each other to form molecules. Say for example, this is the molecule of water. In molecule of water, we have got two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. So every matter is composed of molecules. Molecules in matter constantly move, thus possess kinetic energy. So the molecules that are present in matter, they are in continuous random motion, and because of this motion they possess an energy called kinetic energy. So the energy which is possessed by the virtue of its motion we call it a kinetic energy. Next, intermolecular space. In matter we have got intermolecular space. Intermolecular space means the empty spaces between the molecules of matter. Say for example, if this is the molecules, now the space that is left empty, it is known as intermolecular space. Next we have got intermolecular force of attraction. Intermolecular force of attraction is the attractive forces between the molecules of a substance. So these molecules, they have got some kind of attractive force, they will attract each other, and that attractive force is called as intermolecular force of attraction. Next we have got cohesive force. Cohesive force means the force of attraction between the molecules of the same kind is called cohesive force. So the force in which the molecules of the same kind takes place, they are called cohesive. Say for example, if you see, this is the practical experience that we have seen. Water molecules stick to each other to form a dewdrop because of the cohesive force between them. So when you take a leaf, okay, you take a leaf, and on that leaf, if you just put or sprinkle some amount of water, then the water droplets that will be collected over there will try to attract each other, and it will form a dew drop, we can say. That force of attraction between the molecules of the same kind we call it a cohesive force. Next, additive force. Additive force means the force of attraction between the molecules of different kinds is called additive force. So the molecules of different kinds which have got the force of attraction we call this as additive force. So for example, water drops cling to glassware because of the additive force between the molecules of water and glass. Say for example, if you take water in glass, you can see the drops of the water which are clings to the surface of the glass. That force we call it the additive force. Now today's assignment number 1, and this will be for your first card test. Question number 1, define matter. Question number 2, what are the different states of matter? Question number 3, define kinetic energy. Question number 4, what are intermolecular space and intermolecular force? And lastly, differentiate between cohesive and additive force. So write the answers for this question, and please maintain this the assignment format that I have given you in the last video as well. First you write down your name. This should be written on every page of your assignment: name, class, roll number, chapter name, and assignment number. Complete this assignment and send it in my mail.